just a little aggy, but on the door I have this water cord from Big Lots for $2.50, and I'm going to give you guys a quick little overview of what it looks like. Okay guys, so to begin with, behind my door I have this over the door hook thing that I hold my sweaters and my purses on, and please don't look at that cable running along my door. So on the left hand side of my door I have a shelf and some plants. The plants are from IKEA. It's a trio for $4.99, and then I got this little table holding that one plant up from Target for $1, and the actual shelf is from Five Below for $5. And then I'm holding it by a command strip from Walmart, a command hook or whatever you want to call it. Really cute. And here I got these drawers with the apartment. It's not really much to show. I'm not going inside of them today, but yeah. And then here I have my TV, and there's a light behind it that's red. And next to my bed on the left wall, I have these lights that I showed in my last dorm tour. So I'll see if I can find the link, and these mirrors that I got from At Home. On the other wall, I have another shelf unit from Five Below. I have two of those, and the two white plants are from IKEA for $1, and then the two brown plants are from Target for $1. And this comforter is from Amazon. They raised the price, and it's now $70. And next to my bed, I have this plant from IKEA. I can't find the link, but yeah. And I have lights wrapped around it. And here's like my desk area. Yeah, so around my window I have these little mirror stickers of butterflies from the Dollar Tree. And yeah, on the left hand side of my desk I keep more stationery supplies and stuff like that on the left hand side. And then these two plants are from IKEA. It's actually like a ball like thing in the pot. I couldn't find the link, but yeah. And then here's my mirror. I actually got this from Amazon for $9.99. They also raised the price on this, and it's like $20 now. So, and then here I keep all my makeup brushes in these IKEA pot plants, and then my printers here, some snacks, my laptop, and more like school supply stuff, like uninteresting stuff. And yeah, so here I have this little cork board on the other wall. I think I got this from IKEA. I couldn't find the link, but yeah, it's just a basic cork board that you can pin stuff on. And next to that, I have my ring light, and below that I have my makeup storage from Michael's, and I hold all my makeup. And I also have a tour for you guys of my makeup collection, so stay tuned. And here I keep like this little plant that I got from the Dollar Tree that has like marbles in it. So on this wall, which is my favorite part, I got this garland from Amazon. It's so nice and have lights coming down the corner. It's so pretty at night. Like, it's so pretty. And yeah, and then here's my mini fridge. Same thing from my last dorm. I do have like this little hashtag from my last dorm. This plant is new. I got this from IKEA. That plant I had that already. And then my Alexa, she's always been there. And some water. And then here's my closet. I love this closet because I be taking some cute photos in this mirror. But yeah, on the left hand side is basically my clothes and stuff. Yeah, I'm not going to really go into the specifics of this closet, but this is how it's organized. And then in here in that door, I do have my own bathroom. And yeah, and this is pretty much what it looks like. And inside, most of my bathroom stuff came from Walmart, and then that plant that you saw came from IKEA. But that's basically about it. I have cabinets and other stuff. I'm also going to do a whole apartment tour, so like the living room and the kitchen, in another video. So stay tuned for that, guys. And on the back of the door, I have a towel and my robe. And this is basically what it looks like in the shower. Nothing special. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this videos. And stay tuned for more.